What's going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you with a decal sheet review. This is from Hungarian Aero Decals, or HAD Decals, or HAD models I should say. This is the 48 scale decal sheet for the SH-3H Seaking, specifically the Sea Griffins in the movie The Final Countdown, as you can see from the back picture here. So was super excited when I seen that they released this decal sheet. The movie The Final Countdown was very instrumental in getting me into military history. Growing up as a kid, I always loved watching the old VHS tape that my dad had of it, and so yeah. Looking on the back side, we do have kind of a top-down view. So again, some marking call-outs here. It does come with the numbers for both 736 and 733. Again, color call-outs here in the corner that you can see. And we open it up to a nice sheet here. Again, the color callouts as needed for the various surfaces. So just pause there so you guys can take a look at that. And we'll get on to the decal sheet itself. Now, I've not actually worked with any of their decals, so I cannot say 100% for certain how well they will go down, anything like that. But again, I mean, this is a marking set that isn't as, hasn't really been done too much in the past. Yeah, you could get some stuff from the Nimitz in the past, but again, to get the true markings from the movie is definitely an awesome sheet. So quick little review for you guys. Gonna have a couple of others that I picked up from the Final Countdown set, so definitely feel free to check those out. I'll link everything in the description below. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.